Hi, welcome to another day in the Bitchy Vegan Homo kitchen. Today we're going to be doing Beets by Dave. Beets are a surprisingly divisive vegetable, but I find that most people that don't actually like beets have only had them off of some salad bar of some shitty national chain restaurant. But I think beets are nutritious and delicious, and they're incredibly diverse. And I've had many different beet burgers at a lot of different vegan and vegetarian restaurants, and while they've usually been tasty, most of them have also been pasty and frequently just fall apart when you eat it. When I made my beet burger, I wanted to make sure that it was going to hold together, have a nice firm texture, and then as an added bonus, I even made it gluten-free. And now we're going to assemble our wet ingredients. First, we're going to put our beets and our quinoa. Then we're going to add our vegan Worcestershire sauce, the hardest of all condiments and sauces to say, our liquid smoke, and Bragg's liquid aminos or soy sauce. Now we're going to assemble our dry ingredients. We're going to add our chickpea flour, our oat flour, and then our mix of spices, which is onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, salt, and nutritional yeast. With a whisk, just kind of blend that around so your spices get evenly distributed, and then we'll be ready to add our dry ingredients to our wet. And now I hope you're a fan of hand jobs, because you're going to have to get your hands dirty when you make these patties. But unless you want your hands to be stained pink for the rest of the day, I recommend wearing a pair of rubber gloves. Luckily, I happen to have a pair left over from this weekend's activities. So now, once this is all in there, you're dry and you're wet, you just get in there with your hands, squish it all together until it's all combined. There you go. And then we're going to form our patties. Kind of split it in half, and then split that half in half, and then just flatten them out in the palm of our hand. And then we're going to cook our patties on a skillet that has been heating over medium heat for about 4 to 6 minutes on each side. And now we're ready to assemble our beet burger with whatever your favorite toppings are. I'm going to put your traditional onion, tomato, and lettuce on here, and good old-fashioned ketchup and mustard, but it also is really good with barbecue sauce or whatever else you want to put on there. And then we're going to have a nice bite. It's delicious. And even if your friend still doesn't like beets afterwards, after you shove this in their face for a little bit, they'll be quiet while you're enjoying yours. So thanks for watching. Visit bitchyveganhomo.com for this and other great recipes. Now beat it.